Hello friends, welcome to Apache Maven video series. In this video, I am going to explain about Apache Maven, introduction to it and how it can be installed. My name is Ganesh Hegde, working as Senior Engineer at Kpro Solutions Private Limited. Kpro is a leading provider in data lake, cloud implementation, blockchain, data science, artificial intelligence, deep learning, and mobile application development. This is going to be the course content for this video series. In this video, I am going to explain about Maven overview and Maven environment setup. In the subsequent videos, I will explain about project object model, that is POM, and build lifecycle, build profile, Maven repositories like local, central, remote, etc., Maven plugins, and then finally we will see Maven snapshot and version builds, etc. Without further delay, let us see today's agenda. Today I will be explaining about software build tool, then what are the build tools available in the market, introduction to Maven, and convention followed in Maven, and then we will see how to install Maven in the system, the requirements, uh, Java environment, installation of Maven, and Maven configuration we will see as part of this. Build tools are programs that automate the creation of executable applications from source code. In this process, generally it downloads the dependency and compiles the source code with the help of dependency, and then it packages. After that, optionally it runs the test to make sure everything is fine. Then finally it will deploy in the target environment. Let us see what are the build tools available in the market. These are the some popular build tools which are available in the market. Open Build Service is an open source tool which encourages developers to create various Linux flavored packages for Unix like operating system. Build-R is another open source tool mainly used for Java project. It supports fully blown scripting language. Rake is a tool written in Ruby, very similar to Make programming language, that the Make build tool that I will explain later. It follows Rake file during a build operation. SPT is a simple build tool which is mainly used for Scala or Java programs. Cake is a cross-platform build automation tool, and one has to write build script in C#. Maven is closely associated with Java program, but it can be used for any other program as well. It does two things: building software and defining dependencies. Make is mainly used with C programming language and creating shared libraries or shared objects. Ant is another tool mainly used for Java project. It looks for build.xml file while creating the builds and accordingly builds the program. Gradle is a build tool which is based on Ant and Maven. Instead of XML file, it uses Groovy scripting language. CMake is a cross-platform open source tool for managing build using compiler independent method. MS Build is Microsoft product which is a build platform that enables all build activities in Visual Studio World. Ant is similar to Ant, but it is focusing on .NET project. Webpack is a build tool which is for packaging JavaScript files in web applications. Let us understand Maven. Maven is a project management and comprehension tool that provides developers a complete build lifecycle framework. When we use Maven, we have to follow some convention. Like if we have a source code that should be placed in source/main/java directory. And if we have resources like any properties file in the program, then that should be available in source, main and resources directory. Tests should be available under source/test directory. And when the Maven builds the executable jar files or build is located at target directory, and the bytecodes which are created in that process will be available in target/classes directory. So these are the Maven installation steps. We need to check the system requirement. As part of this, we will require JDK 1.7 or above, Java environment variable, Java home, and the Java should be available in the path. Then we will have to download Maven, and we will be configuring Maven environment variables like M2 home, M2 and Maven in path variable. Let me check system requirement whether I have a Java or not. That can be checked by executing this command, Java version. I don't have Java in my environment, so I will have to download Java and configure the respective variables. So I have already in Oracle Java site, and I have already downloaded this zip archive of Java, and also I have downloaded Maven archive from mavenapache.org download.cgi direct CGI page. I downloaded zip archive from here, and let me configure these things one by one. First, let me configure JDK. I need to copy this file to a desired location, and then I have to configure in the path since it is already compiled one. I will be required this path. Let me configure it as part of Java home. To do that, we have to go to the properties here and select advanced system settings, environment variable. Then we have to create a new variable here, and the name is Java home in caps. Value is what I copied, and we have to modify path variable to include Java binaries. Let me check whether Java is available now or not. I need to exit from this session and I will start new session. Yes, Java is available. Java home is also set. Now let me configure Maven. I have already downloaded Maven. Similar to Java, I will also copy the required files to the desired location. Let me copy to the file of Maven, and I will use this path to create M2 home and M2. Sorry, it is bin. I am going to exit from this session and start a new session. Maven version. Yes, it is installed. Now we have successfully configured Maven for our environment. That's all from today's session. I have explained about software build tool, various build tool available in the market. Then I gave introduction to Maven and convention followed in Maven. Then we have installed Maven and Java for our environment. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, I will be explaining about project object model and build lifecycle. Kindly provide your valuable feedback as a comment and let us know if you want us to make any technical video of or any issue which you are facing in your project. Please write to us at feedback@kpro.co.in. You please visit our YouTube channels like blockchain, cloud, data science, ETL, etc. to learn different technologies. You may follow us on Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube to get latest update. Thank you very much. Let's keep learning.